UNI-T Europe.
How to use UDP4303S to output plus or minus 5 volt dual polarity voltage. Connect the positive terminal of channel 1 and the negative terminal of channel 2 together. Use T earth ground, green terminal, as the reference point by connecting both the positive terminal of channel 1 and the negative terminal of channel 2 to the arch ground. Since the positive terminal is grounded, its potential to ground is 0 V. At this point, measuring the negative terminal of channel 1 relative to the reference point will yield minus 5 volt. Similarity, measuring the positive terminal of channel 2 relative to the reference point will yield 5 volt.